legacy application migration to the cloud. Coming to the execution part, all my .java files are present inside my default package and all the JSP files are present inside my web application. So I am using Apache Tomcat server, and if I want to execute this, just right click, run as, run on server. So I am clicking the next button. So I want to run this application, legacy application. So the result is shown in the web browser. All these are the different modules that are present in my project. I have a owner section, I have a user section, cloud admin, and then cloud. Now I am just logging in as an owner. For example, I'm just having here, I'm giving the username and password. So whatever is the email ID I'm giving here, I'm giving the password and I'm logging in. I have an application register, system details, migration request, use status, and then logout. If it is a new application, click this. Whatever is the application ID I am giving here, application name, whatever is the name of my application. For example, I am just giving here as transport management system. So whatever is the name of the application and the date of creation. So I have to mention the correct date here, and whatever is the, it is a dynamic web application. Data entered successfully. The data will be stored inside my database. Coming to the system details, whatever is the architecture, I need to mention the architecture. So I am following some architecture XYZ. So I am following some architecture. So what are all the dependencies I require? Java servlet jar, okay, Java X servlet. So what are all the other jars I can mention here? And DB information, I am using MySQL. Data entered successfully. Next, coming the migration requests. So whatever is the application name I'm having here, I want to know the migration. I'm just requesting for the migration of my application. So whatever is the sender mail, I can just mention here. And today's date. So for example, I am entering today's date. If I want to approve, I can approve, or if I want to decline, I can decline. So decline, nothing will happen, and approve. So an email will be triggered to the corresponding thing. Clear with this? So you can just go to my Edge. So Gmail, I'm going here. A mail will be triggered requesting for migration. And similarly, view status, I can view the status of my application, and I'm coming back to my home and log out. I can log in as a user. I have to provide the correct credentials, correct username and password. I need to mention the correct credentials. Clear with this? I can view, upload pan, initiate migration, update status, and then log out. Just view the files. All these are the different files. I can upload the plan. So whatever is the migration strategy, I can request some resources from cloud, and I can update something and it will be uploaded in the Drive HQ. For example, I am uploading this. This will be uploaded in the Drive HQ, and correspondingly an email will be triggered. So file uploaded successfully, an email sent successfully. So if I want to know the uploaded file, just go to the cloud server. I am having Drive HQ cloud server. So whatever is the architecture diagram, I can just view here. Just go to the Drive HQ. So I can load some files here. So whatever is the username and password if I give, so I can just view my files here. I am mentioning the username and password. So here I can refresh. So I have to go to my root and then I can see. Just go to Google. I am just typing in as drive HQ. So my file will be uploaded in my drive HQ drive. I can initiate migration. So I can initiate migration request. I can update the status, whether it is in the planning stage or it is in some other stage, just submit. So it will be submitted. I can log out and I can log in as cloud admin. So I have to provide the correct username and password. Cloud admin dot admin at gmail.com. I can view, I can approve or reject, I can assign resource, provide keys. So I can view. So what are the different files, users list I can view. I can approve or reject. So I am having one checkbox. I can approve or reject. And I can assign resources. So whatever is the virtual machine I am having here. So I am giving the storage capacity, whatever is the type of network I am going for, and I can submit. Provide keys. So whatever is the configuration key and configuration details I am providing and submitting. So a mail will be triggered to the migration team. Clear with this and log out. So whenever I want to see any mail, you can go here. A migration mail, a mail will be configuration details required for the configuration. And I can log in as a cloud. So you have to cloud any. So I can, and I'm, so just log in. I can view and I can view the performance graph. So all these are the different parameters post migration and on premises, and log out.